Hello guys, this is Deepika from mytutorialrack.com. In this tutorial, we are going to accidentally remove the green page commit, and we're going to go ahead and learn how to retrieve that commit back via the Git internal repository data. Okay, so let's say we removed a green page commit. How we're going to go ahead and do it? We're going to go ahead right now. If you go ahead and look at your log status, this is what it says. You have added the green page, you have added the yellow page, and you have red page. Now we are going to go ahead and get rid of this. Okay, we're going to go ahead and we'll remove this commit that we did. So the command that we're going to do here is git reset --hard. So it totally removes it. --hard. By using the mix flag, it kept those changes, but in this, it did not even go ahead and keep those changes at all. So if you go ahead and look at your GitHub repository here, you will see that it has a green page right now. Okay, and you see all the changes that we have. Now if I go back and enter this command, okay, now it only knows about the yellow page commit that we did, and if you go ahead and look at the repository, you do not see the green page. So that has been removed. And if you look at the status, or if you look at this particular commit history, you will see that it does not know about the yellow page, about the green page. It has no idea about the green page. So we have kind of by mistake removed the green page commit. So now what we have done here is, now how we're going to go ahead and revert it back. How we're going to go ahead and retrieve it back, that particular commit that we accidentally removed. And if you go ahead and look at the status here, it does not say that we have any pages or anything, because initially if there is anything that is not committed or the thing that is modified, it will tell you. The status command is going to tell you right away that okay, these are the files that you have added, or these are the files that you need to go ahead and, because you have modified, you need to commit those changes. It tells you. But this time git status does not tell you that there is any uncommitted changes or you need to do anything. It has no idea about the green page. It completely forgot about it, because the hard flag has completely wiped the changes in the working directory. So this kind of commit that we removed now became a dangling commit. Now what are these dangling commits? Dangling commits are those that cannot be reached from any branch and thus are in the danger of being lost forever. So those are called as the dangling commits. Dangling commits are those commits that cannot be reached using any branch, and they have a good chances of loss forever. So they might get loose. All those changes that we did, the green page that we added and the link that we have added to the green page, they might get lost forever. But before they get lost forever, we need to go ahead and retrieve it back. Now this is the time we're going to go ahead and learn about this reflog command. Now what is this command does? Git uses this reflog to record every change you make to your repository. So this is the command no matter what you did, but it'll still keep track of what are the changes you made to your repository. So I'm going to go ahead and use git reflog, and it'll tell me exactly that what are the changes I did. Okay, so now if you go ahead and scroll back, you will see that it has a green page message here. You can see that it has at the head number 2, it has that okay, there is a green page was there. Okay, and somehow because you moved to head -1, means you moved to one previous commit, it now forgot about the green page, but before it completely lose forever, we need to go ahead and retrieve it. So this git reflog command is going to go ahead and tell you every change you make to your repository. And now before this particular, when you enter this git reflog, it also tells you a very unique git commit ID as well. So it tells you about all these IDs. At head number 2, it also gives you a commit ID as well. And you can see at the head number 2, it tells you that the green page has been added. So now what we're going to go ahead and do, we're going to go ahead and remember this commit. So let me go ahead and say save in queue. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and say clear it. One more time, I'm going to go ahead and do reflog. Okay, and now what I'm going to do next here is I'm going to go ahead and check out to that particular version. So this one. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and check out to this particular thing here. So C188489. So let me write it down. C188489. 489. So that is the commit ID for this one. We are because we wanted to go ahead and retrieve our green page. Okay, not anything else, just the green page. So this is the ID for it. So I'm going to go ahead and say git checkout. And what was the ID number here? The ID number was C188489. C188489. So once we go ahead and do this, now it tells you that you are in a detached head state. Okay, so now what does this mean? This is going to put us in a detached head state, which means that our head is no longer on the tip of a branch. Okay, so this is telling you that this is a dangling commit, so we kind of went ahead and checked out. So now if you go back and look here, do you see any green page still? No, we have. Now you see the green page. You can see the green page. Earlier you were not able to see the green page. It just came back, okay, because we checked out as this one. So now what we're going to do here is, now we're going to go ahead and convert our dangling commit into a full-fledged branch. And to do that, we're going to go ahead and create it. So we're going to go ahead and create this branch -b, and also we're going to check out as this branch. So we're going to go ahead and create this particular branch. And we have checked out. So we have switched to this green page. Now we probably, if you look at the branch, we'll have, these are the different branches, and we are in the green page right now. Okay, in that particular branch. Now we have a branch that we can merge back into the project. Okay, so we have revived all our changes. Okay, and if you look at this particular thing here, it has the green page and it has everything that was there earlier. And now what we're going to do here is, we're going to go ahead and merge these changes into the master that we had. So what we're going to do here is, we're going to go ahead and check out as master, so we can merge the changes back. And then now if you wanted to go ahead and see the difference in the commits, so if you wanted to go ahead and see the difference in the commit history of this head, the difference between the head and the green page, okay, so this particular command is going to tell you those commits which are there in the green page but they are not in the master. So the difference is that we have a commit, it's going to tell you the difference between the commits that is there in the green page but it does not have in the master. And the stat flag that you see here includes the information about which files have been changed in those commits. Okay, so now you can see that you have this particular green page and these are the files that we have changed, and this is the difference in their commits. So I'm going to go back. Now what we're going to do is, we're going to go ahead and merge these changes, merge the changes from the green page branch back to the master. So we're going to go ahead and we have updated all those things that we changed. And now since we do not need this git page, now we do not need the green page as well as the new pages branch, because both are now same. So if you go ahead and look at the history one more time, now you will see that, okay, our green page came back. Okay, we are in the master branch, so we are successfully able to revise or to bring back our changes using the reflog command, because with the reflog command, that has information about any change you make to the repository. So I checked out into that particular commit ID, and then I came into a detached head state. So I created a branch and then I merged back those changes into my master. Okay, so before we leave here, I wanted to get rid of the branches that I do not need anymore. So the first branch that I'm going to delete would be the new pages. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and delete that branch. New dash of pages. This is a branch I do not need anymore. Okay, and also the green branch I do not need anymore. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and delete my green page as well, because that's a command that's a branch that I just created because I lost my green page commit. To revive it back, I needed that branch. So now I've deleted it. Now if you go back and look at how many branches you have, now you only have 2, about and the master. So in this tutorial, we talked about this reflog command. This is a command which have the information about the changes that you make to your repository. So in case you lost any commit, or you by mistake have removed any commit, this is the way you can go ahead and revive it back.